how to customize YouTube recommended videos. Your history settings gives you options to clear watch history, or you can manage all history. The way YouTube recommends the videos on your YouTube feed comes from these history settings, as well as your interactions on YouTube. That means if you're seeing some unwanted videos on your YouTube feed, then you need to explore these interactions and not just clear watch and search history. Furthermore, the way that Google account is set, it's tied to YouTube. You can look at other activity. Rank Your YouTube channel shows you how to manage your Google My Activity. Because as you can see, in other activity, we have other settings. So therefore, because your Google account is tied to YouTube, in other activity, you may control different YouTube interactions. Let's imagine your not interested feedback, or you may have answered some surveys, because YouTube history settings doesn't show you that here, as we can see. Sharing activity. Let's see what I've shared. If I've liked certain videos, which ones are they? If I even dislike certain videos, then you want to then keep the dislikes, obviously. Let's take a look. If I like this, I want to keep that, because that's going to influence the recommendations. Looking at the comments I've made on YouTube, that could also influence the recommendations. Basically, it is your YouTube activity coupled with your Google account other activity settings that you have to triple check if you want to have full control over YouTube recommendations. Okay, so I'll show you a mobile option as well, because once you follow the insights I've just shared, as in double check your YouTube history, perhaps even clear search history, look at your interactions here. If you liked some video perhaps last year and you've forgotten it, that's going to influence the recommendations as well. So therefore, once you double check the interactions from your Google account as well as YouTube settings for history, here on the left hand side you have history, then you manage all history, manage it here. You can perhaps even delete all and perhaps start again. And then you want to double check your interactions, because that's going to influence the recommended videos as well. Then I'll show you the mobile option, because let's imagine you're using a YouTube app. Then once you follow these insights, because you can actually control the history here as well on your mobile app, you press on your profile icon. Let's press on that, then press view all for history, go to manage all history, and here we can clear and delete our YouTube app here. But if your account is tied, as in if your Google account is connected and synced between devices, obviously what you do on your laptop or desktop or even Google TV, it's going to show up on your YouTube app here as well. So I know it can get confusing if you don't understand how YouTube and Google actually works. But nonetheless, you have these controls. Then once you follow these insights and double check your interactions, both on your YouTube as well as on Google, other activity settings, then what will happen is, as let's imagine your YouTube app or even on desktop, the moment you see the unwanted video, all you need to do is just say, you know what, I'm not interested in this, not interested. And as you can see, YouTube says, okay, we'll tune your recommendations accordingly. But if you don't clear your activity first, then you'll keep seeing unwanted videos. For my YouTube app, I actually see what interests me the most. But the moment I end up seeing something that is out of my interest, at that moment, YouTube algorithms may want to squeeze in some videos. But as you then, let's imagine this, I'm not interested in this. Okay, not interested in things like this. Now you can tell Google as to why at that moment. I don't like the video. Then your recommendations will then tune up accordingly. Furthermore, on YouTube app, you may actually see an option asking you to customize your feed. And ideally, that's what you want. The moment you see that option, you want to click on it and then customize your feed according to your interests. If you follow these insights, then what will happen is YouTube recommendations will be according to your interests instead of seeing unwanted videos. And that's how you customize your YouTube feed.